So I made sure the tire diameter is only 22 inches. So after we measure the tire, we're gonna go to the menu button, press the up and down for 2 seconds, and another press for info button and the minus button for another 2 seconds, and we'll bring it to this. And as you can see, it says 24 inches on the tire. And press the info button one more time and press the up and down to adjust the tire diameter. And press another 2 seconds for the info button to bring you back to the home screen. Okay guys, what we're gonna do next is to adjust the assist level. That by default it has only 1 to 3 level. Like, see, 1, 2, and that's it. So we're gonna change it to up to 5. This is how you're gonna do it. Press this for 2 seconds and press the up and down again for another 2 seconds, and then move it to this selection and press this, and as you can see, that's the assist level, up to 3 and assist 1. And this is how you're going to change it to assist up to number 5. That's assist 0 up to 5. 1, when you turn it on, it's already on 1 to 5, and up to 7. So I'm going to do it only up to 5. And to change the speed on each level, press this again, the info button. So assist 1 gives you 20%. That's not the speed, it's just the percentage of the assist level. And that's the second. I put to 35. If you want to change it, just basically press up and down. So I divide the 100% to 5 level. So that's the second. This is the third. I put on 50. Fourth level, number 4 assist, I put on 75, and on the fifth I put 100%. Right. So to get out of this mode, press this side button again, and we'll bring it back to this screen and hold it again for 2 seconds, and that's it. And as you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean not 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'm not sure if this applied to some other electric e-bike, but this is for the G-Force T42 model. Alright, and I'm gonna ride it soon, so watch for my next video.